Well, here we are in my property that I haven't been to in a couple weeks. Apparently, we've had some strong winds here in the Stutzman Ranch. Look at this. I'm not going to be playing too much basketball until I get that fixed. And quite the wind here. I must have slept through it. Well, somebody is going to get some fine firewood. Oh yeah, look at that. My goodness. Well, this is probably about a couple hundred yards from my home on my property, but still, I think I should have heard something. And these big trees came down. Wow. But anyway, you can tell we had quite the winter here. Looking for lots of good weather coming our way. We deserve it, don't we? Been through a lot. Boy, oh boy, I can hear the crows flying up there. They're getting excited about the weather change. Beautiful blue skies. Yeah, I hear you. On the back roads, following a nice windy couple of weeks here in northern Michigan. Have a great weekend. Have a great St. Patrick's Day.